These lights are mounted on the rope spar using the existing holes. We don't drill any holes in the rope spar. We run the wire inside the rope spar, and the only thing we have to do is remove a little paint around the holes where the bolts are that hold the brackets on. And that gives us a good ground so we can run a single wire system. Here we have the bracket. It's a piece of billet aluminum that's machined out. And what we've done is we've got 2 wires from each one of these floodlights that go into the assembly. And you see in the center there, that's a ground point where we take the black wire and take it to ground. And the 2 red wires, the green one would be the front facing light and the red would be the rear facing light. And we're going to connect it up to these wires. Now you'll notice the wire is coming through the top hole, and on this bracket we've got a split hole. See that? That allows the wires to come through, and the raised boss around the hole keeps the bracket from twisting once it's in place. And the other bracket over here, right here, we're going to run a bolt through the rope spar to hold the bracket onto the machine. And we'll do the same over here. So here it is installed. You see the plug in the lower hole and the stainless steel fastener in the upper hole, and that holds this bracket on in place. And the little machine boss on the end of the bracket locates in both holes and keeps this bracket firmly attached. It doesn't twist and rock. And if you want to adjust the lights, those cap screws on the end, button head cap screws on the end can be tightened or loosened, and bright lights can be pointed as you like it. Now here's what it looks like with the rope bar up. You got 2 lights in the back, pointed down. The higher lights in the front are as high as you can get them, and they're inside the rope spar. Now they can also be mounted on the outside. I chose to put them on the inside because I felt they'd be more protected. Now here we have the tractor outdoors in the dark. We have the front and rear lights on to show you how much illumination you get. You can see a house that's a good 100 feet away lit up pretty well. We're going to switch off the electricity here just to show you the difference when the lights are off. So you get quite a bit of light through the floodlight on the back. So if you're interested in putting a kit like this on your tractor, it takes about an hour to do all the work. And when you end up, you'll have something that looks like maybe Kubota put it on there for you.